Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Good morning, class. I'm Miss Little Economics for this semester. So let's check attendance first. Alex.
Present.
Vitana.
Present.
Briones.
Present.
Casas. Present. So do you already know each other?
No.
Okay, so introduce yourself, say your full name and your course. So let's start with Mr. Alex.
I'm Christoph Alex and I'm a 1K student. I'm John Vitana. I am an EXRM student.
Hi, Marcus Briones. I'm HRC.
Hi, my name is Jacqueline. I'm SBA Marketing for year.
Since this is our first meeting, we will be discussing about total fixed cost, total variable cost, and total cost. So when we say cost, it is the price of something or amount of money that is needed to pay for or to buy something. There are two types of costs in a production. First, TFC or total fixed cost. Total fixed cost is a cost that cannot be changed, while TVC or total variable cost is a cost that varies or dependent cost. So, okay, do you understand, guys? So, class dismissed.
Yay!
Halo, palit na dahil.
Bilang na
Tag 80.
Mahalin lagi. Wala yung discount. Ako ay hindi.
Wala, dahil wala na ko ginansya na, dahil.
Bitaw ate, ngayon sa niyo pagkuha ng price. What's yung mga expenses para makakamap og 80? Og na kapabay ginansya sa usakadlaw?
Kung dahil akong giad ang tanang cost or expenses like variable and fixed cost. So, muna siya. Example sa mga fixed cost kay ako ang rent, ang mga equipment, muna siya. Equipment is worth 1,500, ang rent is 4,000. So, ang akong variable cost is the ingredients worth 2,000. In one day, maka-make na ko og 100 kahalo-halo. So, akong gitotal tanan 7,500. So, 75. To get the average total cost, so, akong gi-divide ang 7,500 by 100 units. Muna siya ang units nga ako ang mahimo in one day. So, 75. Para na ako'y ginansya, ang kung gi-price kay 80. Dapat mas dako akong price kaysa 80C para napakoy profit. So, price is 80 minus 75. So, 5. Na akong ginansya kay 5. But in one day, makahimo ko 100 units. So, ako siyang i-multiply og 5. So, 5 times 100 equals 500.
Sige, palit na, dahil.
Patog buhate para sa akong amigo.
Sige. Thank you.
Salamat.
And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out what's in my head. And I feel it a little bit too real. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and get real high and loud. Feel the top of my lungs. What's going on? And I say,
Sir, kanang kadiyot lang kayo, sir, para sa mong video. Mga 5 minutes na, sir. Okay na, sir. Salamat kayo, sir. So, sige. Ayos ka. Ana sila, Ana. Sige, giwag.
Day, palit halo-halo, day. Special halo-halo.
Kasi pagka-special na natin.
Special day kay mahal
Nanood kayo ang mga ingredients nga akong gamit nga. Lami ko dyan kayo.
Ano yung ingredients?
Suka.
Uy.